This is a video to prepare a soluble salt, zinc sulfate, using the first method, acid plus excess metal. Now this is your sulfuric acid. So you fill a beaker with about 25 cm cube of sulfuric acid. Then after that you add the zinc powder in excess. This is zinc powder, see carefully, zinc powder. Now when you add the zinc powder to sulfuric acid, you can see effervescent. Because sulfuric acid plus zinc, you get zinc sulfate, which is a solution, as well as hydrogen. So the effervescence is due to the release of hydrogen gas. Okay, you add zinc powder, and then after that you have to swirl it so that the zinc and the sulfuric acid properly react. Now at this point you can see that some zinc still remain in the solution. This is actually the unreacted or the excess zinc. So at this stage all the sulfuric acid has already reacted. So the zinc is in excess. So what is in the beaker is zinc sulfate as well as excess zinc. So we have to filter the solution in order to remove the excess zinc, and the solution would be the zinc sulfate solution. Okay, this is the excess zinc, and later on you can see in the filter paper some residue of excess zinc. Here we go. This is the zinc sulfate solution, and after that we'll heat the filtrate, which is a zinc sulfate solution, to saturation, and we can test for the saturation by using a cold glass rod. When the solution is saturated, you can see some crystals being formed on the cold glass rod. Now this is not very clear in this video. Then the last few steps would be, when the filtrate is saturated, leave it to cool and crystallize. Then after that, filter it to get the crystals, and wash the crystal with distilled water, and then finally you dry the crystals with dry filter paper.